What do you want to generate? Forest, rainforest, night fantasy rainforest, dragon in night fantasy rainforest. Everything you can imagine in one place. Phygital.plus, the AI workspace that revolutionizes visual content creation. You can generate, train, transform, and enhance. With our unique node-based interface and infinite canvas, Phygitalism gives you the superpower to explore endless creativity, test combinations of textures, models, and tools, and instantly see the results of your masterpiece. Modify any step of your creation process and see the updated results immediately. By connecting various AI tools, Phygitalism enables you to achieve results and functionalities that no other platform can provide. From stable diffusion to image enhancement, we've got you covered. Train your own AI models to create infinite variations of your work in seconds. There's no project too big or too small for Phygitalism. Deliver your work to your clients virtually and in real time. No more weeks of waiting and back and forth. Get started immediately with templates and frameworks tailored to your needs. You can build your own AI application based on our neural network bundle. Phygitalism houses a comprehensive AI tools library, frequently updated to keep you on top. Unleash the potential of AI with your team and use Phygitalism for brainstorming ideas. Get an innovative tool for creativity without the fear of a clean slate with Phygitalism.